In the ever-evolving realm of smartwatches, the Honor Watch 4 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 emerge as compelling contenders, each offering a plethora of features aimed at enhancing the user experience. These two devices seamlessly blend technology and style, providing users with fitness tracking, health monitoring, and smart functionality in a sleek and compact design. As we delve into the detailed comparison and review of the Honor Watch 4 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, we will explore their distinctive features, performance capabilities, and any potential drawbacks, helping you make an informed decision on which smartwatch aligns best with your preferences and lifestyle. Honor Watch 4 Pro features. Design and display. The Honor Watch 4 Pro boasts a premium design with a high-quality build and a vivid 1.43-inch AMOLED display. Its curved glass and stainless steel frame give it an elegant look, making it suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Health and fitness tracking. Equipped with advanced health monitoring features, the Honor Watch 4 Pro includes a heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, and sleep tracking. It also offers comprehensive fitness tracking for various activities, making it an ideal companion for health-conscious individuals. Battery life. The smartwatch excels in the battery department, providing an impressive battery life of up to 14 days on a single charge. This extended battery life ensures that the Honor Watch 4 Pro can keep up with your daily activities without constantly needing to recharge. Smart functionality. The Honor Watch 4 Pro offers smartwatch essentials such as notifications, music controls, and customizable watch faces. It also features NFC for contactless payments and built-in GPS for accurate location tracking during outdoor activities. Water resistance. With a water resistance rating of 5 ATM, the Honor Watch 4 Pro is suitable for swimming and water-related activities, adding versatility to its list of capabilities. Compatibility. The smartwatch is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, ensuring a wide range of users can seamlessly integrate it into their tech ecosystems. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 features. Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring a rotating bezel for intuitive navigation and a vibrant 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display. The display's high-resolution and always-on feature contribute to an excellent visual experience. Health and fitness tracking. Samsung's smartwatch includes advanced health monitoring tools, such as blood pressure monitoring, ECG tracking, and body composition analysis. The watch also offers a variety of workout modes and coaching to help users achieve their fitness goals. Battery life. The Galaxy Watch 4 provides a respectable battery life, lasting up to 2 days on a single charge. While not as long-lasting as some competitors, it still offers sufficient power for daily use. Smart functionality. With Wear OS by Google as its operating system, the Galaxy Watch 4 delivers a comprehensive range of smart features. It supports Google Assistant, app integration, and seamless connectivity with Android smartphones. Water resistance. Similar to the Honor Watch 4 Pro, the Galaxy Watch 4 has a water resistance rating of 5 ATM, ensuring it can withstand water exposure during swimming and other water-based activities. Compatibility. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is designed to seamlessly integrate with Android devices, providing a cohesive experience for users within the Android ecosystem. Cons of Honor Watch 4 Pro. Despite its impressive features, the Honor Watch 4 Pro has a few drawbacks to consider. Firstly, its app ecosystem may not be as extensive as some competitors, limiting the availability of third-party apps. Additionally, while it excels in battery life, the charging time might be relatively longer compared to other smartwatches, requiring users to plan their charging routine accordingly. Cons of Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, while feature-rich, has its own set of limitations. The battery life, though decent, falls short compared to some competitors, necessitating more frequent charging. Some users may find the watch's compatibility limited to Android devices, potentially alienating iOS users who seek a more integrated experience. In the culmination of our comparison, both the Honor Watch 4 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 stand out as formidable choices, catering to different preferences and ecosystems. If you prioritize a longer battery life, extensive health and fitness tracking, and cross-platform compatibility, the Honor Watch 4 Pro emerges as a compelling option. On the other hand, if you are deeply ingrained in the Android ecosystem, value a rotating bezel for navigation, and seek a watch with an extensive app ecosystem, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 may be the better fit. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize design, health features, or smart functionality, both smartwatches offer a comprehensive set of features to enhance your daily life. Consider your priorities, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed decision based on the features that align most closely with your lifestyle. Whichever smartwatch you choose, both the Honor Watch 4 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 represent cutting-edge technology in the wearable space, promising a seamless blend of style, functionality, and health-focused features. Make your choice and embark on a journey towards a smarter and healthier lifestyle.